Welcome to Getshop today. As you are here watching this video, this means you are going to start your own dropshipping business. In this video, we will get to know 1. What is dropshipping? 2. What you need to start a dropshipping business, and 3. How you can be successful at dropshipping even without any marketing budget in the beginning stages of your business. Let's begin by looking at what dropshipping is. So, this is your retailer's e-commerce website. Let's say you don't have any products to sell. You will need to get those from a wholesaler. And here it is, your wholesaler's website. Because of the special dropshipping API, you will be able to import the products from the wholesaler's website into your own online shop in a one-click process. Next, you can list these products in eBay, Facebook, Amazon, and other platforms. Once the end customer buys your products from any of these platforms, an order will show up in your website, and you can then place an order to the wholesaler website. Then the wholesaler will complete the sales process by sending the product to your end customer. This is in essence what dropshipping is. Now that we know what dropshipping is, let's see what we need to start a dropshipping business. There are 3 main things that you need, which are 1. Your own e-commerce website. 2. Sourcing of products to sell. 3. Marketing. By subscribing to our special dropshipping offer, you will get an e-commerce website ready from A to Z in just 48 hours. You will also be able to choose and import products from our UK-based dropshipping wholesaler suppliers by using automatic tools. So now we have the website and the products, let's talk about the third important aspect, the marketing. How can we achieve business success even without any marketing budget in the beginning? Marketing is one of the biggest hurdles in business, especially when you are a starter. You don't have any budget, any system, or any workforce in place. For this reason, we created a new system with a completely new approach. This new approach is as follows. Let's say you have your products already. Using our automatic tools, you can list your products in our eBay easily. Once you list your products, eBay is going to start promoting your products to its visitors. What is eBay's interest to do this? This is because eBay is taking a fee from every sale of your products. It can be up to 15%. Now you may think, I am still paying 15% from my sales. What will be my profit? So here's the math. Let's imagine you took a product from a Getshop Today supplier for £5. In your own website, you increased the retail price by 65%. From this, you will give eBay 15%. Even after this fee, you are left with 50% profit. In a nutshell, although you are not spending any marketing budget or paying up front, still your business is running successfully. After all, if you want to know more, we recommend subscribing to our partner YouTube channel called E-Commerce Slide, where you will find a 2 hours and 50 minutes long course all about dropshipping. After you subscribe to the special dropshipping offer on this page, don't hesitate to talk with our business experts by calling 020 3150 4561, and they will help you take your business to the next level. See you then.